is a charming town located on the southeastern Dildo arm of Trinity Bay, about 100 kilometers west of St. John's. This picturesque community, alongside its neighbor South Dildo, is steeped in history and natural beauty. The name Dildo has been around since at least 1711, though its origin remains a mystery. Despite some efforts to change it in the 20th century, the unique name has stuck and brought the town some notoriety. Dildo Island, just offshore, is of archaeological significance and was home to the world's first cod fish hatchery in 1889. The town itself was built on fishing and whaling, and you can feel this rich history as you explore the stages, wharves, and historic fishing premises along the rugged coastline. Take in the incredible views of Trinity Bay, where you might spot whales, dolphins, and even icebergs. To get closer to these natural wonders, join one of Dildo's boat tours. Options range from 42-foot cabin cruisers to traditional wooden fishing boats, known locally as punts. Some tours even offer cod fishing or scallop catching experiences, where you can harvest your dinner straight from the sea.
you.